This is the Iron Trader. This is midday trading. Okay, today we're going to take a look at Netflix, Google, and we're going to take a look here at Disney, which is just getting hammered after yesterday's earnings report. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Netflix. Okay, so what we want to do is this is having a really nice run up. So the upside target, first one is going to be 346.43. And then if we can get above that, we're going to look to this candle right here. This is sitting at 349.80. Okay, so now if it closes above, let's look to the left of this chart and we look at this candle here. This here is 350.31, the low. So that is your fill. This is your gap right here. So 349.80 is the gap. This is your fill. Now, if you can get above, obviously, then we start going above these candles here. So you're looking at 361.50. We can go to this candle right here. You're looking at 364.18. We're looking at 368.19. 373.83, and then your big retest here is 379.43. Now we look here, see how all these simple moving averages are just curling up really, really nice. So if you have a sell down, what you want to do is just watch all these averages. Basically, you're sitting around 328.65. That's your 21 SMA. Then if it's lost, then your retest here is 315.62. But this looks very, very bullish. So let's take a look here on the weekly and on the monthly chart and see how she looks. Okay, here we have your weekly and your monthly. So we're headed up in a really nice direction here. And if we can go to the top of that price channel here, that's sitting at 379.43. If you can break that, then we want to do is look for this key 200 SMA. That's usually like a magnet to a fridge is those 200. So that'd be looking at 404.02. All right, so but here, like on a monthly chart, we want to look to this 21 SMA. That's sitting at 360.64. And then basically you have 401.97. That's your 50-day, which lines up pretty nice here with this 200 SMA. So that is your upside. On your downside, like we pointed out here earlier, just look at all these simple moving averages. Everything is clustered right here, but you notice how everything is curling up nice to push that price up higher. Okay, so what we want to do here on your weekly chart is let's look here at your 8 SMA here. Okay, you're sitting at 334.26 and you're looking at 328.83. That would be your key support levels. If lost, obviously, then we can go lower here. Now, on your monthly chart, you want to look here at the 323.12. See how this is start rising up and then how that 8-day just curled right on up. Now, if you can keep holding that price, you can ride that price and push it right through the 21 and go right up to that 50-day. Very easy. So we have to just see how she all looks. So now let's take a look here on the Google. All right, here we have the old Google chart. Now, this is a very, very bullish chart. So it is your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, you can see how this thing, when it's sold off here, okay, you're putting a series of lower highs in. Okay, then when this bottom here, okay, came in, let me just big this up a little bit. What you had here then is a series of higher lows. That's always good. So you had 83.34 on the low, and then we come right over here to this candle here. Okay, on your low was 84.86, and then we had another low up here, a higher low, which is sitting at 88.58. That is always a very, very bullish pattern. Plus, we have a really nice W going on here, and then look what happened. Pow, right on up. Now, what we want to do is we want to watch these key levels here on a resistant level. So you want to look at this 21 SMA. This is sitting at 115.99. Now you need to close above. If you can, then we just go to, all your next levels there. So what you want to do is we want to go right to here to this level here. Okay, this is sitting at 121.68. Okay, and then if it goes higher, then we go to the next level here. We want to go up here. This is 131.40. Then we go up to this level here. This is 143.71, and then your big retest here is 151.55. If this thing can keep on rising, this is going to be very tough support resistance here in this area right here on these candles right here going on the upside. But watch this 21-day right here at 115.99. on a closing basis. Okay, you're obviously your price is higher now, but let's just see if it can close above. If it can, this is chart looks very, very bullish to go much higher here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look here at Disney. All right, here we have the Disney. Now, the earnings came out yesterday. There's a big brouhaha between him and the governor, down in Florida there. But whatever, that doesn't concern us. We got to figure out how we make, money off of the situation. Okay, so if that's resolved, Iger is a very, very good leader. They can get this thing rolling here, but I don't like that they lost 4 million subscribers there on that Disney Plus. That's not good. But they are going to lay off 7,000 people. That should cut back, tighten everything up. So let's just take a look and see where we are. So if this keeps selling off here, what we want to do is we want to keep looking here to the bottom of these candles right here, okay? So what we have here is you got a 93. Then you really want to look at this key level right here. This is sitting at 90.46. If that 90.46 there is lost, then we want to look over here. This is sitting at 87.83, and then your big retest here at 84.07. Now, if it could come down and hold this 84.07, that would be a good buying opportunity here to zip right on up. But if that 84.07 is lost, then we want to look at a monthly here at the 200 sitting at 82.19. That would be the target. Now, here on the upside, you see how much now you have this big gap that has to be filled here. So it's just very, very ugly chart. So what you need to do here is you need to regain this 96.46. Okay, if you can do that, then you can see here where you have the 98.20. Okay, on your 100 SMA here, what do we have here? You have 99.14, and then your 21, 99.78, 101, 31, and then your retest here at 103.91. The key on the upside is going to be reclaiming this 96.46 on a closing basis on the upside, and on the downside is holding this key 84.07 and this 82.19. If that's lost, then here's your target, 79.07. All right, thanks for watching.